Intro to Mechatronics, powered by GE, is a course specifically designed for grade 9 and grade 10 students. The aim has been to expose learners to mechatronics and robotics, as well as develop interest in engineering as a skilled profession, a skill set this country urgently needs.
Intro to Mechatronics is a program that we developed with Robotics. It was the idea to educate high school kids about what is robotics. So take them through the process of 3D education, 3D design, from 3D design to 3D printing, where we got MakerBot involved to help us through that entire process.
Schools from across the country were pre-selected to receive this kit. Educators were asked to involve students who show a keen interest in the fields of science, technology, electronics and mathematics.
What happened here today is fantastic because we need kids that can think outside the box. The moment that they grasp that concept, that they can become creators rather than just users of technology, then they run with it.
Ready, set, go.
The community that you live in can condition you to think in a particular way. But if you're exposed and you get exposure to programs like that of the EduBot, then you start to see things differently. You start to see that you can actually change the world. And I think kids that are participating in the EduBot program really do feel like they can solve the world's biggest problems.
The career opportunities in terms of robotics for the future, I think, is vast. The more and more robots are put out into the world, the more people will have to either service the machines or the robots or either operate them.
There's a lot of new technological advancements we've made in these last few years, 3 to 5 years as well. So I mean, just that alone will also open up a lot of new jobs and careers that we never had in the past.
The I2M program is really to reinvigorate interest in STEM-related subjects. We worked with partners, DigiCate, who helped run the program, Robotics, who helped with developing the curriculum as well, and MakerBot, a 3D printer manufacturer. And what we did was we came with this interesting robotics competition across 30 schools, 600 students in 5 provinces. They were given a kit where they had different materials that they could use to build a rover, and a whole e-learning program that teaches them about robotics and how they can build those rovers. And then we had them show the rovers in action and upload them onto a website where a panel of judges could have a look at the different submissions and determine the 30 best out of the 600 students. So the panel looked at things like the movability of the rovers, the creativity of the people in what they'd created, and also the implementation of the recyclable items that they'd been given. So it was a tough choice, but they came up with 30 students that made it to the finals. We see over and over that there's a gap where genders are concerned. A lot more males tend to go to those areas and less females. So a program like I2M that encourages young girls at that stage to start focusing on STEM-related things by really creating excitement about robotics is perfect within our strategy in Africa. The top prize was 2 3D printers that went to the winning participant, and then ones for the school to use for other students to learn about 3D printing. But I think more than the prizes, what the participants went away with, and this is all 600 participants, was a lot more exposure to robotics. Hopefully, a stronger interest in going towards STEM-related courses that should see them having those skills that are needed for the future being developed today.
I never imagined I'd own a 3D printer in my life. And also when I heard that there was a 3D printer for grabs, I thought, okay, I'll try. I don't know if I'll get it, but then I'll try. So I'm really happy. Thank you to GE and all of the partners. I really appreciate the big gift, and it was a really exciting journey.
Thank you, GE!